Hey everybody, this is a 2016 Ford F-150 Platinum black power running boards, as you can see. The big dual pane roof, beautiful interior leather, very nice. And this one has, of course, navigation, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, the whole deal, 360-degree camera, and 37, almost 38,000 miles on it. Adaptive cruise control, WeatherTech type coverage inside. Just a beautiful truck all the way around. And taking a look through it, you're going to see here we have a motorized tonneau cover and bed rug inside. So this truck has only been used as a big trunk. Basically. Blind spot monitoring. Look at the tire tread. I mean, this truck is in immaculate condition. There's a little scratch right there, not a big deal. Little one right there too, not huge. Again, the interior just gorgeous. And all the room in the back you could want, with the biggest cab of any of them out there. Just a beautiful truck. It's platinum. It's a 16. It's got low miles on it. You can't do much better. Come check it out at Snowy Mountain Motors. You will love it.